Alright, ladies and gents, a new color and a new mold. Motor oil from Lure Works and this dope swim bait that comes in two different sizes. Make sure y'all like this video and comment what color I should try on these. Alright, motor oil going into the nuked plastisol. I did about 6 drops right here. Stir it up. Added some black flakes, keeping it simple. Stir it up. Into the injector, we're going to shoot our molds. Top it off. And this is how they turned out. These also turned out super fire. It was easy to shoot. 2 different sizes. This color is super dope. You get the green or brown depending on how the light hits it. Alright, ladies and gents, a new color and a new mold. Synthetic by Dead On Plastics and this dope swim bait mold. Before we go any further, make sure y'all like this video and comment what other colors I should do with this mold. Alright, let's get to work. We're going to nuke our plastisol, synthetic from Dead On Plastics. We're going to do 20 or so drops in this because it's only half a cup. Stir it up. Add black flakes, keep it simple. Stir it up. Into the injector, we're going to shoot our molds. Top it off. This didn't take very much plastisol at all. And voila, the final result. These actually turned out freaking sweet. I like this mold a lot and I love this color. What color should I try next? Alright, ladies and gents, a new color and 2 new molds today. Let's shoot these bad boys. Get a cup of plastisol. Smashberry by Dead On Plastics, 40 or so drops. Stir it up. It's got blue or purple depending on how the light hits it. Purple flakes going in, black flakes up next. Stir it up. Into the injector, and we're going to shoot our molds. You already know. Top it off. Always top it off. Double tap this one. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. This is how it turned out. This one's called the Twin Tail Menace. This is how it looks in natural lighting. Action on it is pretty good on this one. I like it. This one's the Spicy Beaver. This is how it looks in natural lighting. It looks good as well. The action on it is pretty good. This is how the batch turned out. What color should I do next? Ladies and gents, boys and girls, we got a great one for you today. New color and a new mold. The Crack and Crawl. This thing looks unreal. Add our drops of kiwi color from Dead On Plastics. Stir it up. This thing looks awesome. The way the light hits it, you either get a green or a brown. Gonna add our black flakes. Stir it up. This is how it looks with the flakes in it. Definitely looks like a kiwi. They definitely nailed this. Injector and shoot our molds. Kraken, stick baits, bandito, and rage crawls today. This is how it turned out. The mold definitely shoots good. I like the mold a lot. That's how it looks in natural lighting. Bandito always looks good. Stick bait. You can definitely see how it turns into green and brown. This is how all the baits turned out with this color. Dead On Plastics definitely nailed this one. I love it. Definitely top 5 favorites. Alright. New color and new mold alert. Metal Mist from Dead On Plastics. And the mold is called Biospawn Viocrawl. What a perfect combo that is. 1 cup of plastisol. I got this from Amazon. Do not recommend at all, but here it is empty. Metal Mist going in. 40 drops per 1 cup of plastisol. Stir it up. It's looking pretty good. Purple or blue, depending on how the light hits it. Black flakes. What's metal without some silver flakes? Stir it up. It's looking good, looking good. Into the injector, we're going to shoot the mold. Always top it off. And this is how it turned out. It looked pretty sweet in the natural light. The action was looking good on it as well. Demonstrating how the light affects the bait. Light or dark purple. Here's the final result of the batch. Channel's all about bait making efficient. Go subscribe.